Okay. Yeah. It's Rock Hill. Day 1 I got a 38th, day 2 I got a 34th. Overall in the season, I'm not sure. We don't have scheduled points right now. I don't know. But I had such a clear connection with myself that my bike was going real good. I was going real good. I just didn't want to crash. That I figured that the speed.
Out of Latvia, Carlos Pedrasis. Out of North Las Vegas, Nevada for Impact BMX Racing, Makiva Hobson. Out of Ramsey, Minnesota for Box Onyx and FXR, Braden Kimball. Out of Maryland for Spy Fuel, Chloe Mishi, Michael Joseph. Out New Samira Beach, Florida for 110% nutrition, Weston Merlot. Out of Mayock City, Florida for DK Bicycles, Jay Smooth, Jeremy Smith. And out of Corona, California, by way of friends for Chase, the BMX Racing Group Store.com. Your 5-time USA BMX #1, Joris Dade. Another one down the hill they go. Oh, there we go. Who's got the drop on this one? Down in that first turn. Dade going to get things fired up with the boys out the first turn down the second straightaway. Dade's got the line locked. Loading up. B. Smith picked it up on that 2 spot. If they drive this one in and out of that second turn, who's ramping it up now? Coming back around. Got to be Nerano. Nerano picking it up on the 3 spot. He's driving hard down that 3 straightaway, keeping things moving on with these guys to that last turn. With the golf 5-time #1 out front, Dade. Mr. Consistency, bringing it back down that last straightaway. That's the way it's going to go back too. Smith going to get the 3, the 544 by. Ross is going to come back around. Ferroli, Smith, Ramirez, Legmanis, Graham, Joseph, Pedrasis, locked and loaded, ready to go. Who's got the pop on this one? Downtown. Smith got a pretty good shot into turn #1. DK Bicycles going to fire it off out of the first turn down the second straightaway. Columbia looking for the 2. Got to be Ramirez. Ball and break right there. Last one on the side. The 544 by Grassis coming back through. It's all Smith out front. Ramirez on the 2 spot. Legmanis, the Latvian rider, picking it up on that 3 spot as they drive this one down that first straight. And in the last turn they go. Coming back to it. It's all Smith on the top spot. Jake Smooth. Coming back down the last straightaway, he'll pick it up. Ramirez on the 2. Legmanis going to get that 3 spot. Gasparoli going to get the 4 as they pile it on back home. Another one below. Santa, Zapata, Gasparoli, LaCroix on deck. Big shot from the boys down into turn #1. Good one from the outside. Going to get things going on. Westy Merlot going to drive it back through. He's on that 2 spot out of the first turn down the second straightaway. Who's got that top spot locked in? Got to be Zapata bringing it back through in and out of the second turn down the 3 straightaway. The 347 by Merlot picking it up on the 2. Cardwell got a pretty good run going on that 3 spot. Bringing him down that third straightaway into that last turn. Ramping this one up. Where you at, Carolina? Cardwell picking it up on the 3, but it's all your 347. Zapata on the top spot. Merlot on the 2. Cardwell for the 3 spin. 143 by. Got a Maryland for Spy. Fuel Quality of Michi. Michael Joseph. 722 bike out of Magnolia, Texas for GFR, Team FXR, and Ride Brand, Riley Graham. 386 bike out of New Samara Beach, Florida for 110% nutrition, Weston Merlot. Number 4 bike out of Palm Harbor, Florida by way of Australia for 110% nutrition and Mega Designs, Josh McLean. 419 bike out of Grand Junction, Colorado, Max Austin. And on your 620 bike out of Houston, Texas for Waltech Engineering, Rain Linkford. on the one, down the big hill they go. Got a pretty good shot with this one. Headed into turn number one. Got to be back to tack McLean. Get a little hey! Started off. Got to be along here on the 2 spot. Langford, Big Westy Merlot picking it up on the 3. Hobson ramping it up. Oh! Somebody going a little long over the berm. Coming back at us in and out that second turn. Austin keeping things charged up down that 3 straightaway. But it's all McLean on the top spot. He's got the 110% juice going. First thing on a Saturday morning, down the last straightaway, the long hair coming back at us. Langford will roll it back the line. Westy Merlot for the 3, back to the stripe. Looks like it might have been Austin popping the 4 spot, back to the line. Man, that's the breaks for the day right there. He says, hey, that's all right, man. I'll trust the process, Captain Nick Long, you know he's tuned in, Tony B. All right, Mark Clement, Graham, Campbell, Joseph, Belluard, Spitz, Sharam, Austin on deck. Belluard on the outside, got a pretty good shot down into turn number 1, but Smith, Jake Smooth, gonna fire off out of the first turn down the second straightaway. Gotta be Corbin Sherrod picking it up on that 3 spot, keeping things moving on down the line. Everybody ramping things up, going in down the second turn, but it's all Smith. Sherrod now 1-2. Belluard on that 3 spot, Kip ramping it up down that third straightaway, gonna bring these guys to that last turn. It's Hill, all Jake Smooth on the top spot. Smith coming back down the last straightaway. Smith, Sherrod, 1-2 back to the line. Belluard gonna get the 3. And Kimball will wind up with the 4 as we come on back down to us.